Hi friends, my name is Miss Jolie and today we are at the Palos Heights Public Library. For today's program, we are going to be making magnetic duck ponds. So, our supplies that you'll need for this program, you will need one paper plate. You're going to need two of the duck templates that you'll get in your pre-prep bags that you'll be able to pick up at the library. And then you will be getting two paper clips. You will be getting trying to think, I believe, and you will be getting a magnet to use to move the ducks around on the bottom of your paper plate, which is going to be our duck pond. So let's get started. All right, so I have the little paper ducks here, and they are attached to our paper clips, and then I have some water in this cup right here with a paintbrush and our plate, and I have some blue paint that I already put on another paper plate. So I would recommend we're using washable tempera paint. You can use either this paint by Crayola, or you can use like a regular acrylic paint. I'd recommend either for this program. Just some blue paint that we're going to use for our duck pond. So I'm going to start out by dipping my paintbrush in our blue paint right here. And I'm just going to start doing, I'm going to outline a circle right here. And I'm just going to draw a little circle, and I'm going to start painting inwards here. Maybe do some more paint. And now this is going to be our duck pond. Okay. So, do a little more. And then you want to save like the room on the outer edges, because we are going to be drawing in our green grass. Because we're going to be doing a actual like pond, and then with our blue paint, this is our water for our duck pond, and then we're going to be using some green crayon for our grass. So I'm going to do a little more, just kind of doing the edge, but like I said, you want to save some room around like the edge of our paper plate, because that's going to be our grass. So I'm going to keep making sure, like this. So here is our little water for our duck pond that our ducks are going to be swimming on. And then I'm going to go ahead and start drawing in our green grass. So let's see. I'm going to do this one. And then I'm just going to start drawing it. Just like this. You're just going to like color along the outside of our duck pond. And I will be right back while I color this in. So I'm all done coloring our green grass on the edges of our pond. That looks really nice. All right. So I've been kind of letting this dry since I've been coloring like the green for our grass. The paint has been drying, but I would recommend to leave it to dry like a few more minutes, because you can see like this blue paint is still a little wet on our plate. So I would let it dry for a few more minutes. And then so I see basically like this part of our plate is dry already. So now we're going to basically take our paper clip attached to our little ducky here. We got two ducks. And then we're going to just set one on top of our paper plate right here. And yeah, I would say to let this dry a little bit longer, just so you can get the ducks to stay like flat. So I'm gonna try to just, there we go. Got it. All right, so, and then we're gonna take our magnet and we're gonna go, so here's what our magnet looks like, and then we're gonna go on the bottom of our plate. Oh, there we go, I got it. Yeah, it's not really, well, I think it's because our plate is still drying too, but then we're gonna move it along our duck pond. So like this. Ooh. There we go. And then we're gonna move it around. There we go. So kind of like this, and then we just kind of move it around slowly along the pond. You'll have to do it on a flat surface, I would say. Yeah, because I'm trying to like do it like holding the plate, but I would definitely let the paint dry a little more, and then just kind of move it around like this. Oh, it fell over again. Well, yeah, I would let the paint dry just a little bit more so you can move it around a little bit better. All right, and you will be getting all of these supplies, our paper plates, our 2 ducks, our paper clips, and our magnets. You'll be getting these in your bags when you come to pick up your supplies at the library. Thank you so much for joining me for today's Magnetic Duck Pond program. I hope you guys enjoyed this program, and I will see you guys in our next video. Thank you so much.